Hello friends, you are watching Time Radar YouTube channel. I am Sujit and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am taking you guys to one of the beautiful route, that is Adirapalli Varachal Forest Road. Now we are almost near to the Varachal Falls and we need to take the pass to enter inside to the deep forest route from Varachal to Malkapare. So now we are almost near to the Varachal Falls and let's see the beauty surrounded at this area. Hello friends, now we are at Varachal checkpost and we are going to Valpare through this route. It's a deep forest way, waiting for the pass to enter inside the forest. Now we are waiting for the pass to enter from Varchal checkpost to reach Malkapare. So the vehicle will be checked by the forest officer and waiting for it. Finally, our vehicle has been checked by the forest officer and we need to give our mobile number, our name and our details to them. So they will give us pass from the Varchal checkpost and we need to give this pass to the opposite side Malkapar checkpost. And before entering inside the forest, we have to follow some forest rules. That is rule number 1, do not throw plastic waste inside the forest. Rule number 2, please be on the safe zone. Rule number 3, do not enter inside the river and do not enter inside to the deep forest. Be at the road, be at the safe zone. And finally, we enter inside the checkpost. And for the first time, we are seeing a beautiful school near to this checkpost, that is Adirapalli Varachal School, which is situated inside the forest. I think a lot of tribals are studying at this area. Finally, we have entered inside the Varachale forest and we can see a beautiful school, and at the right side we can see some tribal village. I think this school is for tribal students. From this point, the Varachale forest has been started, and let's hear the description of this route.
State Highway 21, Shish 21, or Chalakudi Malakapara Road is a state highway in Kerala, India that starts in Chalakudi and ends at the state boundary with Tamil Nadu at Malakapara. The road where its majority of portion passes through Sholayar Reservoir is 86.0 kilometers, 53.4 miles long. 1. It passes through one of the most picturesque rainforests and is often described as one of the best scenic routes in India. 2. The Athirapilli Falls and Vizakal Falls are located on this route. It connects with Valparai Pollachi Road in Tamil Nadu.
You guys got the details of this route. Anyway, now we are almost near to the Varachal bridge. Now we are traveling at a summer time, so the animal can be spotted at any time, because at the rainy time inside the forest there will be a lot of water, but now at summer time the water level will be dry, so animal can be come out from the forest at any time for drinking the water. So hope for the best. At this area we can see the road widening work has been done, but the work has been not been completed yet. And finally we are reached near to the Varchale bridge and we can see a notice board that animal crossing zone, so be alert. At the left side we can see that animal crossing zone. And now we are entering inside to the Varachale bridge. From this bridge we can get a lot of viewpoint. Means from this bridge we can see a lot of animal come to drink water, especially crocodile, elephant, deer, etc. But at the time we arrive, animals has been not been spotted. We just waited few minutes at the bridge for watching the animals, but not animal has been spotted. So we just move from this area. Finally, at the bridge, we have spotted a wild monkey, which was too close to us, and so we just go on near to him. But don't feel the animals. Be alert. Be safe. Finally, the monkey has been captured on our camera. I think this monkey is too friendly to the human. Anyway, our time's up. We are moving to the Valparai. So let's watch our video. And finally, we say bye to the monkey and start our journey. And let's enjoy this forest route. We are seeing the view from the Varchale bridge. This river is big danger. Do not enter inside the river because wild animal can be spotted at any time, especially crocodile, wild elephant, tiger, deer, etc. Be on our safe zone. Don't enter inside the river or forest. And finally, we have started our journey. This is the one of the best forest route from Adirapalli to Malakapare, and this is one of the best route to reach from Kerala to Tamil Nadu, and this is the easiest way. But the main issue of this route is wild animals can be spotted anytime, so be safe on the ride. Wild animals like tiger, deer, crocodile, snake, etc. are spotted at this area, but animal sighting is like only. Finally, we have reached the one of the best animal viewpoint, but no animal has been spotted yet. Only an elephant sheet has been spotted. Finally, now we are seeing the forest office. From here, if we take a pass, we can go trekking through this inside forest, a 12 kilometer inside to the forest. But our destination is to Valpare, so we did not go there. At least they needed 10 people for start trekking. For each person, charge will be 1000 rupees. And now we are almostly at the thickest forest right now. Wild animal can be spotted at any time. We are riding in a risky way. See, now it's a DP forest. Finally, our first part is going to wind up. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Kindly please give your thumbs up, like, share, and your valuable comment. And please don't forget to share with your friends. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.